Okay, I am making the mac and cheese. There we go. And I thought like the broccoli would be like in the cheese. I guess it's like its own like little thing. You can kind of see that looks like, bruh. This water better start boiling soon, cause ain't nobody got time for none of that. Now what? I just have to wait for the water to boil, I guess. Like, this is crazy. Like, I can't even pause it. I even updated my iPad because I thought, like, on the new update you could do that because I could do it on my phone. But why can't I do it on my iPad? I don't know. It's stressing me out. This water's starting to boil. I'm going to turn it down a little and put these noodles in. Life hack to have some better noodles is to not put all the noodles in. Really. Like, I'm leaving like that many in. It's really not that much, but I promise you, even the littlest bit makes a difference because you literally get more cheese with your noodles. I need to hurry up and get a mixer. Where are, oh my gosh. Should I use this one? I think so. So basically, there's this one fake ass bitch in my life. And you know what? I'm not even gonna say too much. Yeah. She literally, so fake. Oh my god. Do you guys see that? Like, that just all went so downhill so bad. See, that's what I get for talking shit. That's what I get for talking shit. Should I let my dogs outside? Wait, did the fire go out? No. I think I'm gonna turn it about one way. Like a little bit, stir it up with it like blazing. And I'm gonna turn it down on like 4. I'm gonna stop stirring. And then we're gonna go let the dogs outside because what else is there to do? Come on, dogs. And see, I don't even have to be worried about covering my camera because the camera's at the top. It's kind of cold. I mean, other than the cold, it's kind of nice out. Here's my dogs. Here's the backyard. Jet is running like a psycho. But it actually is very, very cold. Oh my god, Jet has a stick again. Oh no. I'm coming in here. It's cold. I think it's like 40 degrees. I gotta tend to these noodles. They can sit out there for a couple seconds. They're dogs. They got fur. OMG. I'm gonna stir it up a little bit. Okay, we're getting somewhere with these here noodles. I'm gonna just like try to pick one up and put it. Oh, that's hot. There's no way these are done, but let's check. Almost. Almost. A lot faster than I thought. Well, I'm turning it up to get this shit cooking, because, man. And honestly, I'm gonna let these noodles sit in very, very low temperature, low heat. So that way they can just like cook a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna turn it off and then stir it. And yeah, I'm gonna put that right there. We're gonna go back outside because I need to get this stick off of Jet because he needs to get his ass in here. Like right now. Come on, Jet. Come on. Oh my god, he doesn't have it. Jet, come on. Come on, inside. Come on, Bailey. In. Come on. There's Bailey over there. Come on, Bailey. She always takes the longest. Come on. She is so annoying. Come on, Bailey. You're gonna be trapped out there forever. Like, forever, ever. Okay. I guess I should bring my iPad over here. I'm straining some noodles. Okay. I don't want a dirty one, so I'm just gonna dump it out. Oh, I lost a noodle. I feel like losing a noodle always happens, whether you're using a strainer or not. This is called innovation, folks. Okay, I lost a total of like 3 noodles, and I'd say that's a win-win. Okay. I actually don't know how to make this. I don't know if I was supposed to leave some water in, because I feel like that would make sense if it's dehydrated broccoli. It would need like a little bit of water. Oh, it just doesn't even say anything about it. It just says, mix well, mix about, do not rinse, return to pan. I don't know. I'm gonna put some of the broccoli in now. How do I even open this? I guess this would be like a good... Okay. This much broccoli, this isn't gonna do anything. I thought, you know, maybe it would be like a little bit healthier, like maybe some more broccoli. No, there's like no broccoli in here. Like, imagine, look at that. Imagine like smoking that. Couldn't be me. I'm only gonna put a little bit in here for now. And then whenever I put in the cheese, I'll put in the rest. Oh, I guess I gotta go get Bailey. Oh no. I thought my broccoli just spilled everywhere. I'll go get Bailey. Y'all are crazy. Y'all must be right. Okay. I'm back. And time to put in the cheese. That was almost bad. Like, not good at all. I'm only gonna put in, like, some of it at a time, so that way it'll get thoroughly combined. Which I guess that means I have to, like, somehow get this. Okay, do you guys see how much a difference leaving out those noodles made? I feel like this should be like, this would be a lot more, I feel like, if I did the whole thing. But I'm gonna put in some more of the broccoli. I'm just gonna dump the rest of it in there. And then some more cheese too. Separate it so it goes back down in. Okay. This is stressing me out. And honestly, I feel like, I don't know, this broccoli does not, it just looks like stuff. Like, it doesn't look like anything good. Like, it just looks like a bunch of stuff. I feel like I should turn up the heat. Not turn it up, but turn it on and low. Like, low. Ugh, I hate that gas smell. I'm putting in the rest of this cheese because I don't have time. I don't. Okay, that's all of the ingredients. Time for the garbage. Okay. Back to whipping up this macaroni. I feel like I want to put some salt and pepper. Because why not? Jet, move. Like, why are you in front of the spices? Like, seriously? That was kind of a lot. Oh my god. That just means I should add more pepper, right? Oh well. A little bit of spice never hurts nobody. It's like crunching. Just all this stuff I Yeah, like I could fit almost this whole thing on this scooper. I feel like the noodles like shrunk. Like I can literally scoop like the whole thing up. Let me try to figure out a way to show you guys this. Like this is crazy. Like, okay. See, there's like almost all of it on a scoop. Maybe this scoop is just too large for this little bit of mac and cheese. Okay. Dinner is served. Bone apple teeth.